Okay, Gideon, I need to test it one more time. Want to see if you can respond, and then I'm going to check the record.
Okay, so my audio cut off here. I'm just waiting for this responses. Oh, I'm actually typing out a response to test it. So we're just testing the system, seeing if Gideon will respond.
Ready.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to show you Cambium. Like, I love this that I'm able to show you this. And I just thought of a way for me to show you how this all works. So, basically, I'm just gonna show you how I work on my projects. I use Cambium to work on my projects, to work on my businesses. It helps me navigate my thoughts, doesn't forget anything. Um, if I can show you on the Noble Acre website, we have Cambium. I'm gonna actually be adding like a little, like a little bit of a blurb or something saying like, hey, like actually log in here. I'm gonna get rid of this enter Cambium because it's kind of misleading. You can't actually enter Cambium through the button, so I'm gonna have to get rid of this. Um, I need to talk through this all though with my guide because I want to tell him kind of a list of things that I want to do. So we'll start over, but I'm just clicking into Cambium. I can just go ahead and sign in with my email. It automatically signs me in since I've already been signed in. So we have the guide, which is our AI companion that makes sense of all the field notes, the vessel where you can add like actual notes about everything that's going on in your world. And then the pulse, which is a periodic mapping of your physical and mental landscape. It's just basically it's two surveys that kind of help you. Well, it actually does help map out what your motivational profile is. And then the guide can help you based on what your results are on the pulse. Now, the best thing about this program is it's um, completely not training any kind of AI models. So you can feel safe. Nobody can see any of your notes in the vessel or any of your conversations on the guide. I can't see them, that's for sure. So the only thing that I can see are my the name of the anonymous steward. Just it's just going to be the user ID, so the email, the date they joined, and then the amount of sessions that they've had. So this is my complete admin.
Okay, so I guess my audio turned off at this part of the video. Um, so basically, I was in the vessel looking at my notes. These are the types of things that I think about every day. My Noble Nourish line, the Awesome Solves, the Cerebras I'm thinking of using. I've already tried it now since this is like post when this video was taken. This voiceover that I'm doing right now, so I can tell you that I did look into Cerebras. I did utilize Cerebras. It was pretty good, but I'm going to be utilizing it even more whenever I create my own LLM that's localized. So that's like part of one of those inventions that I'm working on. So if you do happen to go and check out my my affiliate links, the tools that I use, I only put tools that I actually use on my page. Like mason jars or whatever. There's like a million things I buy from Walmart, actually. So if you click on the link, then I'll get credit for anything that you buy. Well, if you buy like some mason jars, then I would get a percentage of that, and then I'd be able to put it in my research and development. So it really means a lot to me, and I appreciate that. This Cambium is free for users, so I actually changed the name to Walden now, but same thing. It's on the Noble Acre website. You just go on there, and you can put anything, It's in a Firebase account. It's like completely locked down in a very high security vault. All the information that you put, and it shows you like kind of how I think about things. This is how I organize my thoughts. I need a very intelligent assistant to help me work through things. He's definitely a guide to me. So, I've been using Gemini, I've been using other LLMs to kind of guide me through projects as well, but I wanted to build my own because I wanted it to be independent and sovereign and not something that big business kind of had a hand in. So I guess I don't know what I'm explaining in the video. It's definitely not moving a lot, but in this dashboard, if you see on the left, it says I went to the woods because I wanted to live deliberately. So I think that's a very strong quote. It is by Henry Thoreau, who's a famous philosopher and biologist, and it really resonates with what I'm trying to do here with Walden. Walden was the lake that he lived off of, I think with Emerson, and he just really wanted to live independently, and so do I. So, and then there's the kinetic guidance. It goes from movement to repose, so it kind of gets a feel of like what you're talking about, and recommends what type of part of life you're in. So you're always moving from movement and repose. If you're doing that, then you're going to feel very in tune with your emotions, your motivations, your drive, and it's going to carry over into those great ideas that you have. So really appreciate you watching this with me, and I hope that you were able to benefit from seeing some of my site. I really appreciate you looking it over. There's going to be a lot more to come as I'm brainstorming through this whole business.